summoned the Reaper. She demanded to know why he never told her. She had gotten distracted seeing Minho and Inyong together, and that's what caused the crash. The Reaper told her it wasn't his place to interfere in the lives of the living. Ji Hyun checked the time. She only had 46 days left. She slumped down in front of him. Restaurant, completely drained. She handed Han Kang the reference letter and passed out cold. Han Kang carried her inside. When Ji Hyun came to, she realized Lee Kyung was about to wake up. She rushed home. After she left, Han Kang accidentally spotted her whistle. A memory from their school days flashed through his mind. Ji Hyun got back to the apartment and fixed her hair. She made sure everything looked exactly the way it did before Lee Kyung.
Ayan guys, nililinis ko ang malunggay
Then she stepped out of Lee Kyung's body. She tracked
para sa tinula.
couldn't sense her at all. Ji Hyun stood there talking to herself, trying to convince herself it was all just some kind of misunderstanding. Then she watched Inyong.
Tanggalan natin ng mga tinik ang malunggay.
Ji Hyun followed Minho back to the house and found out they weren't just living together. They were also planning to transfer her father's assets into their own names. The only thing stopping them was that they couldn't find Ji Hyun's personal seal. Without it,
Ayan o, nagpabili ako ng sayote at saka chicken. Mamaya pa ako maglilinis na to.
she wondered if this woman had also been through a betrayal.
Sabi ko kay Kuya, partner, ang makinang gravy nila guys, kahit isang chicken na yung order. Pero ito maraming gravy. Magsasawa ka lang talaga. Okay naman siya guys. Parang sa English. Kumain ka na ng Jollibee. We also have here adobo rice. And bakit wala pa adobo rice sa Pilipinas? Kaya sa atin naman ito ng galing. Is this color gelatin? Pero hindi siya lasang adobo. May lasa na siya. So kahit ito na yung kainin mo, okay na. Gawin na yung gravy, soup, kain. Guys, if ever may mga moments kayo sa Agoda, don't forget to use my code Rodolph Agoda to 10% off sa mga hotels. And, pamilya ko lang kasi for up to 15% off, okay? And kapag hindi na kumana yun, click mo
Still.
yung tayo mo, and then may mga invitation na ako siya. Wala dito mga kagalas sa Vegas. Pag-get ang ngayon na, kumana tayo please. Don't know right.
Ang kulit ng batuta.
Sending a $10,000 RC submarine into a contaminated pool. Three divers dove through the 50 feet down to this pool and claimed they found it in the pool. The problem is, they brought back over. So 2 weeks ago, I sent my own She Wants to See Submarine down to the whole week talking over this mysterious hole. But I bet he isn't this next guy. Test got tabled, some lost power, some air naked recovered. I saw some footage. Whoa, sitting there disappeared down to darkness. If that rope leads to it, who knows? I feel the most real we have on those divers actually matter. Now, I can go back to the baby, all this one. I would go to the RC submarine and have a lot of practice diving. Like for you guys, last video, I didn't go wrong. So they made 10,000 likes. I'm buying the best RC submarine. I can get my hands on it. You guys did it. In 5 days, 10,000 likes. Look, that's what I did. So this time, I rolled out. I did a $10,000 RC submarine with a robot on. There's 5,000 down there. I can really see it. Oh, God. I'm going to put that. This turned out to be way harder than I expected. The last 24 hours, that's absolutely normal. Somebody got this morning. That's right. You'll get the job done.
Parang ka naipit ah.
Ikibig ko siya na.
That's a good sign.
Matamis masyado yan, B.
Ha?
Matamis siya masyado. Bawal siya matamis.
Ay, matas niya. Matamis kasi ba?
Line na.
Times better than the last submarine. The problem is, I have no idea how to drive. I haven't done any test runs. To make matters worse, because the submarine cost more than my car, I was only able to rent it for 3 days. Luckily though, I have a 3-step plan. Day 1, I gotta just learn how to drive it. I gotta figure out how to go up and down, left and right, and get master driving the submarine. Day 2, I gotta learn how to use the robotic arm of the submarine controller. I get so good at using this thing, I can pick up a random rice. Day 3, take the submarine back to the cave.
Ayan guys, ihalo na natin ito. Paminta. Naiiba siyang luto. Andiyan na yung sayote. Ay, ito. Tapos, manok. Tapos, lagyan natin paminta. 3 pirasong paminta. Ayan. At lagyan ng pampalasa. Ito. Tapos, lagyan natin ng asin. At ilagay natin ang sibuyas bawang. Ayan. At atin takpan. Ayan. Atin buksan ang kalan. Ayan. Ayan. Buksan natin. Hayaan natin kumulo siya.
Ha? Sabi niya,
Ayan, sabaw ah.
Hoy, Ami, nakaligaw ko siya saan? Pinapaingit-ingit niya.
Hindi ko pa nakasabawan. Ang dami ng tubig ah.
Hindi niya tapos yan. Pipinigyan ko siya. Tapos sabi niya,
Papatuyuin ko yan.
daw siya.
Bago sabawan ulit ng panibago.
Nakapaisip ko nga daw ako eh.
Ayan guys. Tuyo na. Lagyan na natin yung sabaw. Pinamoromantika lang natin. Ayan. Lagyan natin ng sabaw. Masyado marami sabaw. Tapos pakuluin natin ulit. Alam mo guys, hindi ko na ito ginigisa na manok kasi mantika siya eh.
Hoy! Hoy! So, ika, ba't ka nandito? Ha? Nag-tutorial ka kay Lola? Ha? How to watch, ha? How to watch. Pasaway ka, ha?
Mantika mismo yan ng manok. Oh, langis niya oh. Ito ang kolesterol. Kolesterol yan. Yan. Ang kolesterol tanggalin. Yan. Oh, dami oh. Oh, dami kolesterol. Kolesterol sa manok.
Ay,
Hmm. Tanggalin natin yan. Kasi masama sa katawan. Mantika ng manok, masama sa katawan. Yan o, dami. Oh. Kaya hindi ko na ginigisa ang manok kasi mamantika rin siya. May mantika. Hindi na nga ako kumakain ng balat ng manok. Kasi andyan ang kolesterol. Ba, ang dami nakuha sa ano, mantika ng manok. Ang dami oh. Marami oh. Ako. Ilagay na natin yung malunggay. Hinugasan ko guys. Kasi siyempre may alikabok din yan. Kahit mataas ang puno nila pero kailangan pa rin hugasan dahil may alikabok yan. May mga alikabok. May mga alikabok. Kaya dapat lang ang hugasan ng malunggay. Kaya may ayan, ito na. Diba? Takpan natin. Ito na guys, ang ating tinulang manok na may malunggay. Hindi ko siya nalagyan ng luya kasi hindi ako nakabili ng luya. Yan, tama na ito. Luto na siya.
Hindi na po natin yung tindahan kasi nakakatakot ang daming nangyayari dito po.
Kain na tayo guys.
Tao na to kasi
Kain tayo guys.
isa habang nagkakang problema ako sa palaro yung naulang.
Kailangan laging marami ang gulay.
Nanood pinaulang.
Dila-dila ah. Sige, dila-dila ah.
Isa pupula, tuwis na iyong labi, kabisa tupula, tingay, oras sa to. Ay guys, ang ingay ng pusa namin.
Magmiliyaw.
Baliw. Baliw lang.
Hindi naman na din biyo, dyan ako kakain.
Hi, sweetie. Tingnan mo, tipi-tipi-tipi. Tipi-tipi dapat. Tipi-tipi-tipi-tipi dapat.
Ah, ako na Lola. Huwag dyan. Hindi, hindi. Ako na na. Lola! Ako penga ko, Lola. Gusto ko di kinaharap yan. Hindi, gusto mo main? Bisa talis na iyong labi, isa tukulang oras at ipin.
Six, seven. Abiti, abiti. Abiti, kiri, kawa, 6, 7.